Welcome. In this session, we learn how to measure how fast a function runs in JavaScript using the concept of Hertz. Hertz is the unit for frequency, representing cycles per second. We'll use performance.now to calculate execution time and convert it into a meaningful performance metric. Let's get started. This utility lets us compare function speeds by calculating how many times they can run in 1 second. It is perfect for performance testing, especially when choosing between different implementations. This code defines a function Hertz that times how long a given function takes to run for a number of iterations. Then, it converts that to Hertz. How many times per second it runs? Two sub-functions are tested to compare speeds. We first measure the time before and after executing the function multiple times. The difference gives us how long all iterations took. Then we convert milliseconds to seconds and compute how many cycles occurred in that time. Here, some reduce and some for loop are tested. Although you'd expect a loop to be faster, in some cases, the reduce method can be optimized better by JavaScript engines. The actual results may vary per environment. This technique is useful for developers working on performance-sensitive code. You can benchmark sort algorithms, rendering loops, or any intensive task to choose the most efficient solution for production. Measuring execution speed using Hertz gives a clear picture of function performance. This approach helps make data-driven decisions for optimizing JavaScript code. Thank you for watching and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.